Right guys, so today's effort is going to be taking out all the old ceiling joists and all the old rafters. I'm going to be putting diagonal bracing temporary just to make sure it's all tied in, because I haven't finished tying them in on the steel and I haven't tied them into the external wall because it's not ready yet. So just put diagonal braces in, drop all this, and then we can possibly take this wall out and take out the old partition.
For today's video, we've actually bought these new lights to help us get some more light in here, as we were noticing that when we were filming it was really grainy. So you can see how much light we got. I'll turn the lights off now so you can see what we were dealing with. So let us know in the comments if you think these new lights are any good, if the footage is then better for you. We still got the GoPro out ready to film on that. But yeah, if you could let us know in the comments if it's actually any better.
The joists are all now cut back. I've taken half the perm out so I can start taking these rafters out. Once they're out, you will get the idea of how high the vaulted ceiling will be, which will be pretty high. I'm pretty sure it's about 3-something meters, because our ceiling is 2.6. So you're probably talking about 3.6 meters maybe. But yeah, we're going to slowly work our way across, take all this out, take that wall out, and then try and take this blockwork wall out. You can see how easy that rafter probably came out then. Just one nail in, you probably got 25mm there to hold the rafters in. So yeah, my rafters up there, full contact all the way through the 7x2. I've got about 6 fixings in each, and it's the same down the other end. It's starting there now. I'm going to put loads of fixings in to make sure it's secure.
God, they're coming out so easy, aren't they?
One fix now.
Mental.
So the next step for us guys is to take this wall down. I'm just going to go on the other side, remove all the timber battens and felt, and we're just going to kick the OSB through, and hopefully we can just take it apart in pieces. Right, so this is the other side of the wall. As you can see, I put felt up and battens up just to hold the felt in, so it stays fairly watertight, which I'm surprised it has over all this storms we've had. We get this stripped off now, get the wall out, and then block up this opening.
So Rhys has now removed the OSB, which is over there, and now he's going to take out the framework. But you can see now we've got a lot more light coming into the area, which is really cool.
Okay guys, so wall's down, most of the roof's out, got one more rafter to take out, and that's that. And that wall is ready to come down. Before we do that, I'm just going to frame this area out, ready for the OSB boards. And once we do that, pad it over, and then probably take this wall down.
And you can see guys that Rhys hasn't actually finished the block work up here. So yeah, that's something that we still need to do. Hopefully in the next few weeks. We're trying to focus on getting that roof done, but as soon as the roof is done, back to block work, right Rhys?
Yeah, back to block work.
But it's looking, can we stand back? It's looking really big in here now with that gone and the rafters out. But we've made a hell of a mess. That's okay. While Rhys is over in the corner, I'm going to try and attempt to clean up some of this wood, so then it's out of the way for them putting this through.
rafters and joists are all out. The only thing now is this wall standing up on the foundation, so we're hoping to just knock this down and this space will be all open plan. I don't know if you can see this, but because there's no structural support at all, this whole wall is wobbling. So I'm going to go the other side, and I'm going to get some timbers, prop it up and see if we can push it into this room. Let's go, guys.
Oh my god. Oh my Christ.
Oh no!
Oh my god, what was that?
Oh, just caught my toolbox with it. Right guys, we missed a bit. I'm joking. Right guys, so the reason this wall came down so easily, as you can see, this is the black ash mortar which the old house is built out of. Vertically downwards, well vertically is strong enough, but horizontally the walls aren't that structurally strong. So corners and stuff are fine, but as you've just seen then, that wall went down with ease.
Right guys, as we mentioned in a previous video, we have a guy that's collecting these bricks and he's making a footpath. So they're all going to get reused, which is pretty cool. And it's not the sound of somebody weeing, it is the rain is just coming off the roof. Lovely.
Right guys, so we are gassed. We just shifted all those bricks out the front for somebody to take. Obviously we've still got all this hardcore here, which we will end up using as recycled hardcore. But the next step now is to block up all windows and openings, so it's all sort of waterproof and windproof. And that's what we're going to do today.
Give you guys a tour of how it's looking. Now this wall is out. It's looking massive in here. Doesn't actually look that big on the camera, but it is really big. I think we decided, we asked in the last video about this being vaulted, and I think we decided that it was going to stay vaulted. That's really cool. So I'm going to quickly show you what the outside looks like. So Rhys has just put the OSB in that corner window, and then now he's going to come along and finish doing this. So he's put a door in so we can be able to get in and out easily. And yeah, I'm going to leave it to you. I'm going to jump in the shower and Rhys is going to carry on.
Okay guys, so this section's boarded up and secure. What I'm going to do is use this old offcut of felt, pin it across and just work my way up just to keep the worst of the water off, to stop it penetrating the timber. Right guys, so this window's completely boarded up and just tacked some felt over to prevent it getting wet. Same for over there. I don't know if that'll hold up with any high winds, but he'll do the job for now. The next thing I'm doing is finishing boarding up the opening here. A few boards across here, bit of framework, and then we'll use our door in and out. I just need to move all that crap. Alright guys, so this is what I'm trying to deal with. This, oh god, rain is absolutely driving through here. So I'm just trying to get that opening boarded up. But it's absolutely howling through all the openings. It's absolutely mental. But yeah, just can't wait to get these skylights in because we got water coming through the OSB, through the insulation. And it's absolutely pelting it down. But fingers crossed that the roof don't leak elsewhere. So the day I decided to board up, there was a bit of a storm going on. And as you can see from the water all around the perimeter of the extension, we will definitely have to drop the level of the garden by approximately 150 mil and install eco drains around the perimeter of the extension. As you can see, the side of the house is completely flooded down the footpath. This is because I forgot that I put plastic covering over the drainage. I did this because I was block laying and I didn't want to get any mortar down my drains. Thank you for watching our video, guys. In the next video, we'll be showing you how we are getting on with the roof. If you're enjoying the videos, don't forget to like and comment, and if you haven't already, click the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.